Greetings, this is Lefty Chris, and I created a new GoPlugin node tutorial video. The issue is that I forgot the sound. So hopefully the sound sounds good now. It seemed like everything's fixed, but I'll be doing some narration. So let's get started. First, you need to open PuTTY, copy your IP address, paste where it says host name, and then I went ahead and changed the appearance to 16. I clicked on open, clicked accept. I logged in as root, and then I copied the password and pasted the password. Next, I went ahead and opened the plugin deployment for the GoPlugin node automated script GitHub page. We're going to copy number 1. And then after we copy number 1, we're going to paste it into our VPS and then press enter. This is to ensure that our VPS is up to date. Next, we're going to open Notepad. We're going to copy number 2, paste it into our Notepad. In this example, I used Yo-Yo as our new user. And then for the password, I used Duncan. So you press enter in your VPS, and then you gotta close your VPS. Make sure you save in your Notepad. Open PuTTY once again, copy your IP address, paste it into your PuTTY, and then you want to click open, log in as Yo-Yo, and then your password is Duncan. Now we're going to go to number 4. We're going to copy, and then we're going to paste, press enter. Number 5, copy. We're going to paste, press enter. Type in your password, which was Duncan. And now our node is loading. This is going to take about 20 or 30 minutes, so I'm going to skip. Okay, now you should see important information. You want to copy all of that information, and then you're going to paste this information into your Notepad. Make sure you save into your Notepad, and then we're going to open a new tab and go to your plugin node GUI IP address. Now we're going to open our GUI. We're going to paste our username and then paste our API password. Now we go to keys, scroll down. You can see the regular address. I'm going to copy it. You can also see it in your Notepad. Either or is fine. We're going to fund our node with 1 ply. And then we're going to fund the node with 1 XDC. The node has 1 ply and 1 XDC. Now we're going to go to step 8. Click on Remix Oracle Deployment Task. Scroll down on Deployment. We're going to copy number 1. And then we're going to open XDC Remix. We're going to go to Contracts, Create New File, and make sure to save the file as .sol. In this example, I use zoo.sol just to show what it's supposed to look like. I already have the 2 lines of code as oracle.sol. We're going to click on Solidity compiler and make sure you change the compiler to 0.4.24 before compiling. You see that their check is there, meaning that's successful. We're going to go to deploy and run transactions. The environment needs to be injected web 3. The account should line up with my XDC Pay account, so that's good. Now we need to deploy, which we can go to GoPlugin.co, copy the smart contract at the top, go back to Remix, and then we're going to change where it says XDC to 0x. Now click Deploy, click Submit, and then we're going to click on the arrow and scroll down, go to Set Fulfillment. We need to copy the node regular address. So we're going to go to our notepad, copy, we're going to paste, and then type comma, and then true, all lowercase. Click on Set Fulfillment, click Submit, now click on the arrow next to Debug. You should see where it says 2. You're going to copy the Oracle contract address, and then we're going to go to the notepad. We're going to paste the Oracle contract address into the notepad and then save. Now we're going to go back to the GitHub page. We're going to go to step 9. We need to copy, go back to our VPS, paste, and then press enter. Then go to step 10, copy, paste into the VPS, press enter. Now enter your Oracle contract address. We need to go back to the notepad and copy the OCA, paste it, press enter. And now we have the alarm clock sample job ID. We're going to copy that ID and paste it into our notepad. Label it as ID, and then we're going to save in our notepad once more. Now, scroll back up to number 8, click on Remix Oracle Deployment, and then go to Testing. Now we're going to copy this code. We're going to go back to Remix. Let's go back to File Explorers, and then we have to go to Contracts. We're going to name the new file. It can be named whatever you like. Just make sure, again, that it ends with .sol. I already have it. It's 51 lines of code. We need to change lines number 21 and number 22. Number 21 is the Oracle contract address, so we're going to go back to the notepad and copy the Oracle contract address. We're going to paste it, and then we're going to copy the ID. We're going to paste it into line 22. Make sure you keep the quotations. Now let's compile. If If you see a warning, that's okay. We need to deploy once again, so copy the smart contract address from goplugin.co. We're going to paste it, and then we're going to change XDC to 0x. Click deploy, and then submit. Now you should see alarm clock sample. Copy the value, and then you're going to go back to XDC Pay and send 0.1 ply to that address. Once you click submit, you're going to click on the arrow next to alarm clock sample, scroll down to request alarm, wait a few seconds, and then type the number 2. Click on request alarm, click submit. We're going to wait until you see another check. There it is. So now we're going to go back to the dashboard. We're going to click on runs. You can see that the run was just created. We're waiting for that to say completed, which it is. So now this node is ready to be sent to the GoPlugin team for review. More than likely this node will be ready to go so that you can stake and you'll be able to earn passive crypto. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to follow me on Twitter at LeftyChris13. Follow GoPlugin at GoPlugin on Twitter as well. Have a great day. Peace.